I'm back and I'm doing some early morning after Christmas scrapping. So we got this bed frame. That'll be good scrap. And it looks like it comes apart, so that's good. Oh, okay, it's adjustable. King size, queen size. Just don't hit me in the head size. Wonder if we can get this on like that. No, we need to take it apart. All right, so I'm gonna, well, I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't quite fit on the trailer like that. So I'm gonna take it down, take it apart, and get it on the trailer. It's assembly, but I got it broken down, so yeah, that'll start us off. This is just one of our neighbors. We'll get going. This is the day after Christmas, and all through the alley, not a creature was stirring except for Scrapper Sam. Yep, that's me. On my way to the scrap zone, just making a few detours, you know, taking the scrappers scenic route to the scrap zone. We'll be there in just a minute. The scrap zone is really not very far from here, which is always a good thing. Saves me time and fuel, which is all money. There's one little bit of scrap up ahead that I saw the other day. It was still there last night, so I'm sure it's going to be there this morning. We'll pick that up and then we'll head straight over to the scrap zone. Isn't scheduled for scrap pickup until next week, but if somebody wants to get an early start, I want to help them out. Okay, so that's my aluminum over there. I need to get my trailer filled up before I go to the scrapyard today, and one way to do that is ooh, okay, we got some brass here and door handle. That's good. Let's ask Mr. Magnet about that. Mr. Magnet says that this is pretty good scrap. It looks like brass. And we got a few more doorknobs here. So I guess someone bought the house and that's brass. And now they're changing all the doors or the locks on the doors and stuff. And we're going to get a lot of brass because of that, or at least a little bit. And that's brass, and that's got some brass in it, and the fire extinguisher is empty, and the scrap yards don't really take these, so not much I can do with that. Oh, there's some copper. Looks like they had some repairs done before they moved in, which is always a good thing. I'm gonna have to separate some of this brass out. We'll get this on the trailer though. The trailer, and right next door we got a chair. That's brass. All right, really nice scrap look here. Looks like some car parts maybe. I'm not sure, but that tote is going to be nice. I'm going to put my brass in that. Oh, these, huh, not my size, but that's a largely unused bit there. Is this plastic? That's plastic, but that's not plastic. Oh no, the toad's got a hole on the bottom. That's unfortunate. Well, I was going to use that, but not now. We've got part of the rack stuff over here, and then the rest of it on the other side of the area. Or maybe that's a totally different one. Hard to say. Anyway, I got this and I got that. Maybe I'll put that brass in here. I don't want it moving around too much. Pretty well. Got a ironing board. It's all broken and everything, but that just means it's really good scrap. All right, well, this is not, I have never scrapped this area before. Usually this is kind of far from where I live, my home base, so I often don't get out here, but this is not too bad. It was working right again. It was just messing up a moment ago, not recording or taking pictures instead of video. I think it's okay now, but got a battery. All right, looks like we got a nice chair. We're gonna have to pick that stuff up when we get done. Chair, a really nice rug shampooer. This is wow, that's quite a nice one. That'll stay there. And unfortunately, I knocked this over, so get this back up. Looks like some new shoes. We don't need that. And this is empty. Okay, nice. Okay, well, we're gonna have to take the wood slats off this and fold it up and get it on the trailer, but we may just head over to the scrapyard after this. I got that thing on, so I think we're going to be headed over to the scrapyard. Had to move a few things around here. Let's move this back into position, and yeah, it's a good time to head over to the scrapyard. Love this white oak. Gosh, that is beautiful wood. So the reason I'm in this area today, I had to buy a new, well, two new tires, so that one and that one, for the RAV4, because it was becoming very inconvenient to have to maintain those tires. So I went ahead and got two tires for the car, and that put me over in this area, which got me a lot of this scrap. So not too bad. Won't pay for the tires entirely, but it'll help. Well, the scrapyard is a little busier than I thought it would be, but not too bad. We'll just we weighed in at 6,240, 6,240 pounds. Not too bad. We'll go ahead and get the straps off and get this thing unloaded, break down the things that we need to break down, but should be good. I was hoping to meet Santiago out here today, but he's off the next couple of days, so it'll be, I guess, Thursday before I can see him again. Anyway, we'll get this stuff going and get unloaded. Scrapper Sam. Yeah. Anyway, all right. We'll make a little noise of our own, huh? So these screens, I tried to get the aluminum off of them so that I could turn them in like that, but no such luck. Those screens are there forever. drain this water, but not now. Okay. Well, instead of the lines getting shorter, they actually got longer. It's now 4 cars to each one of the small scales, so it's gonna take a long time to get in there. I guess I'll just cut up some of the aluminum and stuff, maybe drop it off at the house, something like that. Not sure yet, but I'll reduce the size of it so I can get more on the trailer. Anyway, that's it for this show. Thank you everyone for watching, subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos. I'm well over 1,000 subscribers now. Couldn't have done it without you. Thank you all. I'll see you on the next one. Scrapper Sam.